थैंक यू। व्यक्ति का प्रायोरिटीज होता है। जब पूरे सदन 18th लोकसभा का शुरुआत हुई और हर सदस्य संविधान के प्रति श्रद्धा व्यक्त करके, भारत के प्रति श्रद्धा व्यक्त करके नेशनल एंथम के समय में यहां मौजूद थे, राहुल गांधी जी नहीं थे। शायद उनका प्रायोरिटीज अलग है। आप उन्हीं से पूछिए कि वो क्या कर रहे थे, क्यों नहीं आए थे।
लेकिन जब पीएम शपथ ले रहे थे, राहुल गांधी उनको संविधान के प्रति दिखा रहे थे।
ये अच्छी बात है कि राहुल गांधी और विपक्ष के लोग संविधान को हाथ में रखकर पहली बार संविधान के ऊपर श्रद्धा भी व्यक्त कर रहे हैं और संविधान को शायद पढ़ने का कोशिश भी कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि यही राहुल गांधी जी के पार्टी और उन्हीं के दादाजी ने देश के संविधान को सस्पेंड किए थे, देश के संविधान को विलंबित करके देश में इमरजेंसी का लागू किए थे। सो कांग्रेस पार्टी का इतिहास संविधान को हमला करने का इतिहास है, संविधान को खत्म करने का, साजिश करने का इतिहास है। पहली बार कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेता संविधान को हाथ में रखकर संविधान के प्रति श्रद्धा व्यक्त कर रहे हैं, ये स्वागत की बात है। हो गया।
आप सेकेंड इनिंग शुरू कर रहे हैं, आज आपने शपथ लिया है लोकसभा में, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
I want to thank the voters of Bengaluru South for giving me this opportunity to be their voice in the parliament, to be their representative in the parliament for the second consecutive time. The country has reposed its faith in the leadership of the Prime Minister, and for the third consecutive term, the country has given an opportunity to Prime Minister Narendra Modi to lead the country forward. The last 10 years have been truly historic, and the next 5 years promises to be even greater in terms of achievements and accomplishments collectively as a nation. I am very confident that the 18th Lok Sabha that has begun today on a very auspicious note will herald a new chapter of growth, prosperity and inclusive development for every single Bharatiya.
And what would you like to say to Rahul Gandhi? He was not present in the House during the national anthem.
Sir, every individual, every member has his own priorities. At a time when the 18th Lok Sabha began its proceedings by marking respect towards the country, its constitution, by standing in respect of the national anthem, and while all members were present, Rahul Gandhi was conspicuously absent. So you must ask him as to what his priorities are, why he wasn't present, what was that pressing commitment that kept him away from the parliament at such an important occasion.
And the opposition leaders also came with...
It's good that the opposition has finally started reading the constitution. It appears so that they are at least carrying it in their hands, because the opposition and the Congress party in particular has always attacked the constitution, suspended the constitution, imposed emergency in the nation, abused Article 356 and dismissed numerous state governments. So if at all there is one party and one political family that has been a threat to the country's constitution, the country's democracy, it is the Nehru Gandhi Parivar and the Congress party. At least today, it appears as though they have started showing some modicum of respect towards the constitution. It's good that they're holding it in their hands. It's a good start. I hope they read the constitution. And I hope in the 18th Lok Sabha they at least start behaving in a way that is truly deserving of the letter and spirit of the constitution.